guys, welcome to Crafting Together. On today's video, I have like a few requests of somebody that asked me for an engagement party. I want to display, you can get any chatter place. You're not gonna be able to see this. I'm just gonna do this as a base. But I'm gonna take this one and you could also use the regular floral one. But I'm going to use this one because I already had it there. And I think it worked out perfect. But I'm just gonna cut it like that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of hot glue in here. Make sure to put enough hot glue, so you guys can attach it really good. Because remember, this is what's gonna attach the flower. Which before I continue attaching this here, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna take two of these. You should use three of these. I'm going to attach it to the base like that because we're gonna place something on top. You're gonna see later on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach this first like that. And this is what's gonna how I'm gonna place a mirror on top. So that's why I need something. You need something heavier and make sure it's the same length, the same size, so it won't be crooked or higher than the other part. So I'm just gonna attach it in there like that, right? And I'm just gonna continue attaching the other pieces like that. Then after I do that, I attach all my pieces and they're very good attached. I'm gonna take some pink flower here. You could do all white. I'm gonna do some white because it's a big one. I'm also gonna do some pink one. I'm gonna do like a mixture of flowers of different colors. I'm just gonna choose this color, but I think you guys should do like more into white because if it's I mean it depends on the color of the person that's gonna do the decoration, so it doesn't even matter. And then we're gonna place it there like that. What is the most color that people use? Like I always wonder. Um, because I don't think for an engagement party people use pink. Now that I'm confused because I never done a centerpiece for an engagement party. I usually do for like a party, a birthday, but an engagement. So make sure you choose your color right because I don't know if I'm choosing the color right, but make sure you do. I'm gonna take my hot glue. I'm gonna place it in here, and I'm gonna put some hot glue around it. I'm going to take one of these mirrors. Um, I will try to put the link. It will be on my Amazon store. The link for this mirror. So I'm just gonna put it there first because I want to fix the flower accordingly to the mirror on top. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna fill it up with white little branches around. You guys know how I like it. I mean, it's a little hard for me to see, but everything so you guys can see how I do it. I'm gonna do some gold in here as well, like cute little gold one just to make it a little bit stand out. I don't think I choose the right color for an engagement party because I don't think an engagement party can be pink. Can it be? I don't know. I'm a little confused. So do you guys let me know what color are usually engagement party? I should did some research before I created it, but you have the idea. I'm just giving you the idea. You could pick whatever color that you guys are doing. I'm also gonna put a little bit of the gold here. You could do silver if you guys don't like gold. Just accessorize it because the main thing of the of of a centerpiece is the accessory. That's what makes it look extra cute, right? It here I had three of these, but one fell off and it broke. So I'm just gonna place two, but make sure you do three. I think three. I took this small one that I have extra. I'm just gonna place it in there so you can see that it will look nice with three. To do that, we're gonna place the candle inside. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Look how beautiful. Imagine that in whatever color you guys are doing. I think that came out so pretty. I love it. Super beautiful. And I hope you guys like it. Look how cute that turns out, guys. I hope you guys like it. So today we're gonna do something simple and easy. Like I always say, no, this is simple for real. So we're gonna grab one of these little I don't know if it's a wine glass, water glass. Let me know because I'm always get confused with this. Anyway, you let me know what it is. So we're gonna take one of these and we're gonna take one of this little light that turn on like this. I'm gonna turn it off for now. So we're gonna twist it around, and we're going to put the light inside there. All right. And I want to be able to put it that I could reach all the way. We're gonna put this here, so it has to be able to reach there. So I think that's good, like that. After we place it like that, we measure it, we're gonna take the floral foam, put in this floral foam. It already has a hole. I need to make a hole that it could fit this there, so I could place it like that inside. So when I hot glue it in here, you can always turn it on, off and off, and you could just take it out if you want to change the battery. Because you guys always be like, how are we gonna change the battery? Like, guys, it's for an event. It's not like something that you're gonna have in your home. If it's something that you're doing it just to have it in your home, like a decoration, then okay, we can find a way for you guys to, so for you guys to have it, that you could turn it on. Like, you could do this. I'm just gonna open that little space there. It's like I'm gonna open a little gap like that. See, that's what I'm trying to do, but I'm trying to fit it in there. Same time, I'm gonna place it on top, and we want it to be able to stay flat. So that's why you have to place it inside there like that. See? So when I hot glue this part like this, see? Guys, we are genius doing this thing. And I'm gonna put a toothpick, place it inside, and then I'm going to attach a few of them like that. Here you could use any flower that you guys would like. I'm gonna use this pink one that we used before, because I like it, how cute it looks. But you can use different color flowers. It's just up to you. What do you want to use for these? I'm just gonna do a lot of these white because I love how they turns out around it. So then what I'm just gonna do next is just keep attaching the flower around it until I cover the whole thing. Make sure you attach it good. Make sure to put a little bit of hot glue in it like that. Okay, so you see, like, you can see a lot of gap in there, so that's where I'm gonna place more flowers. So I think I'm gonna take these cute little flowers, these cute ones, place a little bit of the toothpick, place a toothpick inside. Guys, I'm just gonna continue attaching this cute little flower around it. So I'm gonna take one of these cute little glass. I'm going to place the candle right inside, and then I'm gonna take rocks and I'm gonna place it around there. And then I'm gonna place it right in here, and then we're gonna turn it on there for the top, and we're gonna turn it on at the bottom. Ta-da! I love when things turns out cute. So this is how cute, you guys, it turns out.